Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Teacher Sidika's classroom. Today we are going to continue our topic on time. So our LO for today is it's the same like last Monday. We are going to convert units of time, day, hours, minutes, and seconds. And our S2S are still the same. First thing first, we're going to check on the units, and then we're going to choose which conversion are we going to use, and then we're going to carry out the calculation. So let's recap our previous lesson on Monday. We know that 1 hour equals to 1 day equals to 24 hours. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. And we also know the conversion of time from hours to minutes. If you want to change from hours to minutes, we just multiply it by 60. And if you want to change from minutes to seconds, we just multiply it by 60 as well. So today we're going to do it in the reverse manner, meaning that we're going to convert or change from seconds. We're going to change it back to minutes. And since we did multiplication from minutes to seconds, we multiplied by 60. We all know that the opposite of multiplication is division. So in order to change from seconds to minutes, we're just going to divide it by 60, and the same as well goes to when we want to change from minutes to hours, we just divide it by 60. So today's lesson is just pretty straightforward, like last time on Monday. So jumping straight to example 1, convert from seconds to minutes. As usual, I'm gonna write down the S2S on the side. So the first one is we're gonna check the units first. So we want to convert from seconds to minutes, and then choose which conversion. So from seconds, we want to change it back to minutes, and we know that we need to divide it by 60. And then we're gonna carry out the calculation. So first question, 60 seconds is equal to how many minutes? We know this. We do not need to do any calculation on this. How do we know this? We know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So what is the concept of equal? Equals means the same. So 1 minute is the same as 60 seconds, which means 60 seconds is the same as 1 minute. So the answer is 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. As simple as that. Now we're going to change 120 seconds to minute. So we just write it down. We do not need to do long division on this one because I'm going to teach you the shortcut. So rewrite it as normally 120 divided by 60. Now how many zeros are there here? So you have 1 0 here on 120, and we have 1 0 here on 60, so they can cancel out. So you can cancel 1 0 here and 1 0 here, which means that they are a pair. Okay, only 1 0 1 0, so 1 and 1 equal. So this becomes 12 divided by 6, and 12 divided by 6 gives us 2. So the answer is 2 minutes. Next, 240 seconds, you want to change it to minute. So just rewrite it as normal. And then how many zero are there? We have 1 0 here, and we have 1 0 here, so they can cancel out. So you just cancels out the 0. So this becomes 24 divided by 6, and we all know that 24 divided by 6 gives us 4. So the answer is 4 minutes. So the example where we were looking just now is we were converting seconds to minutes where we just divided by 60. Next, example 2, convert from minutes to hours. So S2S right over here on this side. The first one is to check the units, read the question, convert from minutes to hours, and then you need to choose which conversion. So here we are converting from minutes to hours, and we need to divide it by 60, and then we just carry out the calculation. So 60 minutes equals to, can you guess? This one we do not need to do any calculation because we know that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. And 1 hour equals 60 minutes, which is the same as 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. So 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. Next, 480 minutes equals to how many hours? So just rewrite it as normal, and then we can see that there's 1 0 here, 1 0 here, and we know we can cancel them out. Then it goes down to 48 divided by 6, it gives us 8, so the answer is 8 hours. Next, 420 seconds equals to how many minutes? Oh wait, that should be minute and hours. Apologies. So class, this one should be a minute and this one should be hours. So nevertheless, it's still the same. We just need to divide it by 60, and these 0 cancels out. Then it becomes 42 divided by 6, which gives us 7, and the answer is 7 hours. So just now we were looking at this part of the conversion where we change from minutes to hours. Now it's time for you to try. I've put the conversion right here for you to refer to. So first you need to convert 300 minutes, change it to hours. So choose which conversion are you going to use, and then do it one by one. Now, you have to keep in mind that you can only cancel the 0 when they are together. For example, if there is 1 0 on the left and there is 1 0 on the right, you can cancel them together. Okay, so 1 0 on the right and 1 0 on the left, and that's it. And if you have to cancel a pair, okay, in simpler word, berpasangan. Kalau 1 0 sebelah kiri, there must be 1 0 sebelah kanan, baru dapat di cancel out. Kalau 1 0 tinggal sebelah kanan, sekali ada lagi 0 on the left, then you cannot cancel out. This question is one of the example where only 1 0 dapat di cancel. Okay, next. You can do the working on a piece of paper. 540 seconds, change it to minutes. Choose which conversion are you going to use. Same steps like the examples. And then the bonus question is 24 hours is how many day or days. I purposely do not put any plural or singular forms here. I want you to try. Okay, so let's quickly recap our LO for today. Today we are converting units of time, day, hours, minutes, and seconds. And our S2SR, first we're going to check on the units, and then we're going to choose which conversion to use, and then we're going to carry out the calculation one by one. Quick recap on the conversion of time for today's lesson is, if you want to change or convert from seconds to minutes, we just need to divide it by 60, and then if you want to convert from minutes to hours, we just divide it by 60. And today's lesson is pretty straightforward. You just need to do it quickly and slowly and step by step. So for today's exercise, you can click on the link above, or you can click on the link provided on the WhatsApp group. That's all for today, and thank you everyone, and good luck.